Hey guys, what's going on? Well, I've been quiet and this arrived. I wanted a matched set. I wanted one Batwing swing in dagger, and I wanted one with a bayonet half grind. And this arrived today. It's got the Renzo Poscotto tang stamp. This is genuine mother of pearl. The backing is called micarta. You can see the beautiful half grind. I like these half grind bayonet blades. They're so nice. And this is the dagger. Fire like rockets. I've got the certificates for him. He was kind enough to, let's see, this is the Mother of Pearl certificate, hand signed by both Renzo and Lucio. Thank you so very much. I just can't thank you enough. I'm just so happy. It took him 2 attempts to actually make this second set of scales. Unfortunately, the first set cracked, and he was good enough to go ahead and give it another try, not give up on it, and he made it. And I tell you, they're just beautiful. They're the only ones that exist. And he was kind enough to build these for me, and I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, Lucio and Renzo. He also sent me the certificates for the Mother of Pearl, or I mean the Mammoth Ivory. Let's see, it's 30,000 year old. It's Siberian Mammoth Ivory. And I've got the certificate for the Coco Bolo. A lot of people may not be too interested in the certificates, but to me, this is the Bat NFC Lale. To me, these certificates are worth as much as the knives themselves. Hand signed by the craftsmen themselves. Here's the ram's horn without the bark. Beautiful. And let's see, oh, here's the stag. Thank you so very much, Lucio and Renzo, for creating these beautiful, one-of-a-kind bat wings for me. He knows my passion for them, and they both do, and they were just kind enough to work with me on these and created them for me, and I'm so thankful. Anyway, take it easy, guys. This is the Batwing Swinguard. That's the mate to the dagger, and this has the bayonet half grind. Signed by, tang stamped by Renzo Poscotto. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Take it easy, guys. Later on.